Hello everyone, watching Fluent Talk Daily, where we help you learn English through stories. Let's get started.
Come on, Lily. I'm recording this. You will be famous. I feel a bit scared. I've never ridden a bike alone. You've got this. I know you do. Okay, I'll try. What if I fall? It's okay to feel scared. I'm right here if you fall. I will catch you. Just go slowly, Lily.
You don't need to be perfect.
Just try your best, okay?
I will try. Please stay close to me.
Oh!
That's it, slowly. You're doing great. Keep going, Lily.
Just like that.
Wow, look at you. You've got this, Lily.
My leg! Lily.
Lily, are you okay? Let me see. Don't move, your leg is not right. We need to go to the hospital now. I'm here, stay with me. We will be there soon. I'm driving as fast as I can, Lily.
Stay strong.
Okay, Lily. Please don't sleep, talk to me.
I'm okay, don't worry.
It's just an accident, everything will be okay.
Okay.
What happened to her? She fell. Okay, let's get you sat down, sweetheart. She was learning to ride a bike, and then she fell badly. Okay, we will take care of her. Please stay calm.
Why is it so quiet?
What is that machine?
This is a special camera.
It helps us see inside your leg, so we can know what's wrong.
Oh.
Will it hurt? No, it won't hurt. You just need to stay still for a moment. That's all.
It hurts when I move.
I know, just a little more.
You're doing very well.
Okay, Lily. Now I need you to stay very still. Just for a few seconds.
I'll try.
All done. You did a great job.
It's finished. Yes.
You see, you are very brave. Don't worry too much. Your daughter has a broken leg, but it's a simple fracture. It will heal well.
Is it serious? Will she be okay?
She will be fine. We will put a cast on her leg today. She may need to stay here for observation. For 1 or 2 days.
How long will it take for her to recover?
Usually, it takes about 4 to 6 weeks for the bone to heal. During that time, she should not walk or put weight on her leg.
Yes, doctor. She was very brave.
Accidents happen,
Yeah.
especially when children are learning something new.
I feel like I failed. I couldn't even ride a bike. No, you tried.
That is not failure.
We are not proud because you ride well. You were brave.
I'm Lighty Dev.
I couldn't even try like you. Oh, look what I got for you.
What is it?
Your favorite. I thought you might feel better.
Thank you, Mom.
See, hospital food is not that bad anymore.
It's already better now.
You're doing really well, Lily.
I feel better, not just my leg.
So when you get better, we try again.
Yeah, but you have to stay close this time. I will.
Good morning. I came to check on you. You're doing very well, much better than before.
That's great to hear.
If everything continues like this, you will recover faster than we expected.
Really? Oh, Lily.
Yes, just keep resting and keep smiling like that. You're welcome. Keep taking good care of her.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Doctor.
It feels so nice to be home.
Everything feels quiet and safe.
Do you feel better now?
Yeah.
I think I do. It doesn't hurt as much when I'm here. Tell me if you need anything, okay?
I want to help you more.
I don't want to depend on everyone. No! Lily, stop! Why do you keep trying alone? I'm here. I want to help you.
I didn't want to bother you.
You are not a burden. You are my sister.
Thank you, John.
All right, ready. When you are, we're all here with you. Okay, I'll try.
One step at a time.
Okay.
I'm right here, okay? I can do this. Don't go too far. I won't. Not this time. Good, good. Just like that. Keep your balance. At this rate, you'll be racing us soon. I did it, Malm. Thanks for staying with me always.